Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix personal hotspot not working on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, many of you are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 you are facing an issue of personal hotspot that your personal hotspot is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix personal hotspot not working on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone 15 and the other device. Sometimes a simple restarting can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check your cellular data connection. Make sure your iPhone 15 has an active cellular data connection. If not, enable the cellular data in your settings. After enabling your cellular data, then you have to do is enable the personal hotspot. You have to go to the settings and go to personal hotspot and then toggle on the hotspot on your iPhone 15. If doing these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes software updates may include bug fixes and improvement which can fix these type of issues. To do this, you have to simply open the general on your iPhone and then tap on software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone 15. If you see any available update for your iPhone 15, simply consider your iPhone 15 to the updating to its latest iOS version. So guys, after updating your software update and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN settings. That you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password after doing this. So you have to do is simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix personal hotspot not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.